Okay, time to focus on the forecast.
Yes.
And Elsa's out there.
Elsa's out there. Elsa right now does not pose a threat, though there's still uncertainty as we get toward the early part of next week. But this weekend, no tropical troubles, but rain. And it may be the system that brings us our rainfall could keep Elsa away. We'll talk about that in a second. Let's take a look at the latest on Elsa. What is a little bit more difficult on infrared satellite, what I was showing at the top of our newscast was visible satellite. You can really see those low-level features. You really can't see those quite as well on our infrared, but we have more up-to-date information because visible satellite disappears once the sun goes down, especially this far to the east. However, what you can also see are the thunderstorms, especially when we colorize it. And what you'll also notice is that they're not developing around the center, so it's not getting better organized. Maybe there's a little bit better low-level circulation, but you need those thunderstorms to kind of wrap around, and that's not happening. And one reason why it may not be is because it is just moving so quick. It's almost outrunning those thunderstorms. And it looks like for the next probably 48 hours or so, it's going to maintain that very quick forward speed, which is why the Hurricane Center maintains the strength at a tropical storm. Though strengthening with 60-mile-an-hour winds, they're kind of keeping it at tropical storm status. Now, this is the official forecast from the Hurricane Center, making an eventual turn somewhere around Jamaica or Cuba, and then possibly emerging either in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico, maybe South Florida, and there is certainly still the potential of the east coast of Florida. Let's take a look at what some of the computer models are saying. Now, this is the model group that the Hurricane Center uses in their forecast. And notice, a great deal of agreement really till about late Saturday, Sunday. Then the models do start to split. However, I'm also including the cone of uncertainty from the Hurricane Center, and notice it basically encompasses all of the uncertainty of the computer models. One thing that we have noticed is that a few more of the models are starting to trend a little bit more west. As of last night, they were starting to trend a little bit more east. Let's see if that is a trend that continues. Now, this is a look at all of the GFS model runs. So this is just one model, the GFS, but it's run several different times with different parameters put in. And the GFS is all over the place. It has from the Yucatan to the Bahamas, and the center line is just about splitting the difference. So there remains a great deal of uncertainty in the model track. There also remains a great deal of uncertainty as to the structure of the storm. This is the Euro, and I'm also plotting on the official forecast from the Hurricane Center. The Euro has a strengthening or at least better organized storm into the Caribbean, and then it's either interaction with land, dry air, and wind shear. Notice at this point on Saturday night, almost Sunday, the Euro has the storm gone. It has it dissipating. The UK Met is the United Kingdom's computer model. It too has the storm just dissipating over the islands and eventually just kind of a trough moving northward. So that is still a possibility. The thinking behind the steering is this big subtropical ridge. This is what's pushing the storm along at a very fast clip. Eventually we're going to see a weakness in that ridge on the western side because of the upper trough that's going to bring us our cold front. So the key is going to be the southwestern and western side of the ridge, exactly when it starts to weaken and how far to the east it weakens. If it stays more built into the Gulf, the storm will likely come into the Gulf. If the high weakens and pushes a little bit more to the east, it might allow for the storm to turn more toward the Bahamas. So there remains a great deal of uncertainty, and we will know more as we approach the weekend. Right now, we've actually had fewer showers around during the day today. A lot of that may be thanks to, you see this northerly flow from these upper clouds. A high pressure ridge over Texas may have kind of built into the area and kind of helped to suppress a lot of our rainfall. There's an upper low down to our south that's moving away from us. That's what kind of helped our rain coverage across the Gulf Coast yesterday and even the day before. So fewer showers today. Will be drying out through the evening and night. Now as we head into tomorrow, much of the day dry, but most of our storms rolling in during the later evening and night. That is the cold front we've been talking about that will likely stall over us for the weekend. However, the Euro is still wanting to push that front maybe a little bit more south on Sunday, which could help to at least dry us out somewhat during the day on the 4th. So let's go with that. A hotter day tomorrow, as we'll probably not get into the storms until later on. Then wet day on Saturday, wet especially early on the 4th, maybe a bit drier by the afternoon and evening, more numerous showers on Monday, and then as we head into next week, more of our typical rain chances, but keeping an eye on Elsa.
All right, thank you, Chris.